In this video, I'll show you how to record your screen on any Android 16 device. Since different Android phones have slightly different settings, I'll walk you through the exact steps and the best screen recording options available on Android 16. You can record a single app or your entire screen, and I'll also share the best audio and touch settings for clear recordings. So keep watching till the end to see the best screen recording settings you should use right now. Swipe down from the top of your screen twice to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Screen Recorder option and tap it. You'll see the screen recording pop-up appear. Here, you can choose whether to record a specific app or your entire screen. Select Record this screen. Now let's choose the recording settings. You'll see audio options like Device Audio, Microphone, Device Audio, and Microphone. Choose the one you prefer. You can also enable show touches on screen if you want viewers to see where you tap. Once your settings are ready, tap Record Screen or Start Recording. Your phone will begin recording after a short countdown. You'll see the recording timer in the status bar at the top of your screen. Tap the timer anytime to view recording controls. To stop recording, tap the timer in the status bar and select Stop Recording or Stop. Your screen recording will be saved automatically to your Gallery or Screen Recordings folder. Tap the notification to open and view your recording. And that's how you record your screen on Android 16 with the best settings for clear and professional recordings.